Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A single taxpayer has modified adjusted gross income of 120 and otherwise qualify for the auto loan interest deduction. Before applying the phase out, the taxpayer has 10,000 of qualifying auto interest loan. What is the allowable deduction? All right, so this individual, remember the 100,000 is when the phase out start and it ends at 150. So the range is 50,000. And this individual is 20,000 within the range. 20,000 within the range because it's 120, 20,000. So what we have to, the easiest way to do it is if you can take 20 divided by 50 and you will find the percentage, and you will take the percentage, and this is how much you will be losing, which is that's 40%. You'll be losing 40%. Okay, 40%. Or the rule is for every 1,000 above 100,000, you would lose 200, and you have 20 of them times 20 equal to 4,000, and 40% times 10,000 equal to, you guessed it, 4,000. Therefore, you would lose 4,000. What is the allowable deduction? The allowable deduction is 6, because 10, remember, if they're asking you what's the allowable, or what's the how much you would lose 4, and what's left is 6. Therefore the answer is 6,000. Be careful what they're asking you. It could be an easy question, but you answered the wrong problem. Now, whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, what should you do? Farhat Lectures, where you have exercises, simulations, multiple choice, true false, AI resources, lectures like this one, podcasts to help you prepare for your certification, to help you increase your chances of doing better in your courses. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. And don't get a car interest loan, period, not even for anything. Pay for the car. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.